Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to fix a Wi-Fi connection issue on your phone. So if you are experiencing Wi-Fi connection issue on your phone, here are some troubleshooting steps that you can follow to fix the problem. First, restart your phone. You can restart your phone and sometimes restarting your phone can fix the issue. So turn off and wait for a second and turn it back on. Next, restart your router. The problem may not be with your phone, but with your Wi-Fi router. So try restarting your router by turning it off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Also, check your Wi-Fi settings. To ensure that your phone is connected to the right Wi-Fi network and that the Wi-Fi signal is strong, check if your phone is in a Wi-Fi setting or airplane mode, or if mobile data is turned on instead of Wi-Fi. So check if your data network or you are in a flight mode. Also, forget and reconnect to the network. Your phone may have trouble connecting to a particular network, so try forgetting the network and then reconnecting it to it. You can do it by going to your Wi-Fi settings, then select the network you want to forget and tap forget. At here, you can see now how to forget your Wi-Fi. You can also update your phone software. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, check if there is a software update available for your phone. Updating your phone software can fix many issues, including Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Also, contact your service provider. If you have tried all of these above steps and the issue persists, contact your service provider for further assistance. They may need to investigate the problem on their end. Also, check for interference. Sometimes other devices or appliances can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. So try moving your phone closer to the router or away from the other devices and see if that helps. You can also check the router settings. Make sure that your router settings are configured correctly. If you are not sure how to do this, contact your internet service provider or the router manufacturer for assistance. Factory reset. If all else fails, you can try to factory reset your phone. This will erase all the data on your phone, so make sure to back up your important files before proceeding. To do a factory reset, go to your phone settings and then select General Management or System Management and then go to Backup and Reset. Then finally, Factory Data Reset. Also, get a new router. If your router is old or outdated, it may not be compatible with your phone or other devices. Consider getting a new router to improve your Wi-Fi connection and get professional help. If you are still unable to fix the Wi-Fi issue on your phone, consider contacting a professional for help. They can diagnose the problem and provide a solution. Another option you can try is to update your router's firmware. Router manufacturers often release firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To update your router's firmware, you will need to log into your router's web interface, usually through a web browser on a connected device, and follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Before updating your router firmware, make sure to read the release notes and back up your router's current settings. Also, ensure that the firmware update is appropriate for your router model and version. If you are not comfortable updating your router's firmware, you can contact your internet service provider or the router manufacturer for assistance. They will provide router or remote support or send a technician to your location to update your firmware. Another option is to try to change the Wi-Fi channel on your router. Wi-Fi channel can become congestions or congested in densely populated areas, which can cause connectivity issues. Changing the channel can help to avoid interference and improve your Wi-Fi signal. So to change the Wi-Fi channel on your router, you will need to log into your router's web interface and look for the wireless settings. The steps to do this can vary depending on the make and model of the router. So it's best to refer to the user manual or contact the manufacturer for guidance. Once you have accessed the wireless settings, you can change the channel to one that is less congested. You can use Wi-Fi analyzer apps on your phone to identify the least crowded channels in your area. After making the changes, restart your router and see if the issue is resolved. If changing the Wi-Fi channel doesn't work, you can also try using Wi-Fi extender or a mesh network system to improve your Wi-Fi coverage. These devices can help to extend the reach of your Wi-Fi signal and reduce connectivity. Another option to consider is to disable any battery saving settings or power saving modes on your phone. These settings can sometimes interfere with your phone's ability connect to Wi-Fi networks. So that's how to fix a Wi-Fi connection issue on your phone. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.